Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming duplicates. Open settings and view apps to spot repeated icons or package names. Once done, check for cloned apps, a work profile, or extra user accounts. These commonly create duplicates. Make sure to back up any important app data to Google Drive or local storage before removing anything, because uninstalling can erase settings. Now, proceed to remove the obvious duplicate instance. Uninstall the clone or disable the secondary profile. You should now remove the extra installations. Uninstall cloned apps, delete the work profile copy, or remove any secondary user that contains the duplicate. Once one instance is gone, clear the cache and data for the remaining app to remove leftover shortcuts and state. If duplicates persist on the home screen, reset app preferences in settings. This restores defaults without erasing personal files. Make sure to restart the phone after these steps, so the system refreshes app registries and launcher caches. Finish by reinstalling the official app from the Play Store so you have one clean package, and confirm only one icon appears. If duplicates remain, boot into safe mode to see if a custom launcher or third-party app causes them. Safe mode disables those add-ons. As a last resort, back up everything and perform a factory reset, because that clears persistent profile conflicts. If things go wrong, use safe mode first. It helps you isolate whether the issue is the launcher or the system itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.